student, in the previous video of the chapter 2 history, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, we discussed about the Russian society was divided into the liberal, radical and the conservative. How the socialism come in Europe and what are the causes of the Russian revolutions. In this video, we will discuss about the February Revolution in the Petrograd. In 1914, the First World War broke out between the Central Powers that consist the country Germany, Austria and the Turkey, and the Allied powers that consist the country like France, Britain, Russia and later the countries Italy and the Romania. The war was fought in Europe as well as outside the Europe. In Russia, the war was very popular and people rallied around Tsar Nicholas II. It means इस वार को रशिया के लोगों ने पूरा समर्थन किया. But as the war continued, the support of the people also declined because firstly the Tsar refused to consult the main parties in Duma, and secondly Tsar Nicholas II was married to Alexandra who was German. So जर्मनी के लिए रशिया की नफरत बढ़ने के कारण वो लोग तिसार और उसकी वाइफ अलेक्जेंड्रा को भी नफरत की निगाह से देखने लगे. Nicholas II was also surrounded by poor advisors such as a monk called Rasputin, and this made the autocracy of the Tsar unpopular. Russian army also badly defeated in Germany and Austria between 1914 to 1916. There were over 7 million casualties by 1917. It means 1970 तक 70 लाख लोग मारे जा चुके थे. और इसके साथ ही रशियन आर्मी ने रास्ते में पड़ने वाली फसलों और बिल्डिंगों को भी नष्ट कर डाला था ताकि दुश्मन सेना वहाँ पे टिक ना सके. So the soldiers did not wish to fight such a war. Industries owned by Russians were very few and the country was cut off from the supply. So the economic of the Russia was also badly hit. And railway lines began to break down by 1916. Able-bodied men were called to the war, means जो सेहतमंद लोग थे उन्हें लड़ाई में बुला लिया जाता था. So that's why leading to the labor shortage, and due to that the small workshops were also shut down. So the large supply of grain was sent to feed the armies. Bread and flour become the scarce in the cities. So that's why in the winter of 1916 the riots means दंगे at bread shop were common. Means इसके साथ ही bread की shops पे दंगों फसादों ने को increase. In the winter of 1917 the condition in the capital city Petrograd was very worse because in 22nd February 1917, food shortages were actually felt in workers' quarters. So on 22nd February 1917, there was a lockout in a factory and a worker protest against the factories. In many factories, women also led the way to the strikes. So the government imposed curfew. The government also called the police to keep an eye on the demonstrators. So on Sunday, 25th February, the government suspended the Duma. That was totally against the wishes of the parliamentary. Because the demonstrators raised the slogans demanding bread, wages, few working hours and democracy. To control the situations, the government also called the police again. But by the evening of the 27th, the soldiers and the striking workers gathered to form a Soviet or councils in the same building in which Duma met, and this was known as a Petrograd Soviet. But the next day, a delegation went to see the Tsar, and on the advice of his military commander, he decided to give up his power. So on 2nd March 1917, monarchy was finally brought down in the Russia. The Soviet and the Duma leaders formed a provincial government to run the country. They decided that in future, Russia would be called by a constituent assembly that was elected on the basis of the universal adult franchise. And after the February revolutions, many other important changes occurred in Russia. After the February revolutions, the army officials, landowners and the industrials gained influence in an elected government. The restrictions on the public meeting and associations were removed. In April 1917, the Bolshevik leader Vladimir Lenin returned to the Russia from his exile. He announced his three demands that was known as the April Thesis, and the demand were war should end, land should be transferred to the peasant, and बैंक शुड बी नेशनलाइज्ड मीन्स युद्ध समाप्त किया जाए, सारी जमीन किसानों को दी जाए और बैंकों का राष्ट्रीयकरण किया जाए. He also wanted the Bolshevik party to be renamed as a communist party, and under his leadership the influence of the Bolshevik increased. Through the summer the workers movement spread in industrial area, factory committee were formed, trade unions grew in numbers, social committee were formed in the armies also. But as the provincial governments saw its power reduce, it decided to take stern measure to check the popularity of the Bolshevik. मीन्स जब उन्हें लगा कि उनकी पावर कम हो रही है तो उन्होंने बोल्शेविक पार्टी को दबाने की कोशिश की. And so that's why they didn't allow the workers to run to the factories and began arresting their leaders. Popular demonstration staged by Bolshevik in July 1917 were strictly suppressed. मीन्स जो प्रदर्शनियाँ बोल्शेविक के द्वारा होनी थी उन्हें भी दबा दिया गया. But many Bolshevik leaders had to go into hiding or flee. मीन्स कईयों को छिपना पड़ा बोल्शेविक लीडर्स को और कईयों को वहाँ से भाग जाना पड़ा. But in the rural areas, peasant and the socialist revolutionary leader pressed for redistribution of the land. So, encouraged by the socialist revolutionary, peasants seized the land between July and September 1917. मीन्स बोल्शेविक के इन्फ्लुएंस के दौरान किसानों ने काफ़ी सारी ज़मीन को कब्जे में ले लिया. द कन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन प्रोविडेंशियल गवर्नमेंट एंड द बोल्शेविक grew. मीन्स प्रोविडेंशियल गवर्नमेंट और बोल्शेविक के बीच के झगड़े बढ़ते गए बिकॉज लेनिन feared that the provincial government would set up a dictatorship. क्योंकि लेनिन को ये डर था कि कहीं पे प्रोविडेंशियल गवर्नमेंट रशिया में डिक्टेटरशिप ना सेटअप कर दे. सो सीक्रेटली ही प्लान्ड a revolutionary, and on 16 October 1917, Lenin forced Petrograd Soviet and the Bolshevik party to agree to a social seizure of power. मीन्स लेनिन ने पेट्रोग्राड सोवियत और बोल्शेविक पार्टी को एग्री कर ले कि वो रशिया के रूल को अपने कंट्रोल में कर ले. Uprising began on the October 24th, 1917. मीन्स ये विद्रोह 24 अक्टूबर 1917 को स्टार्ट हो गया और सुबह होते ही रेवोल्यूशनरी कमेटी ने अपने सपोर्टर्स को ऑर्डर दिया कि गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस पे कंट्रोल किया जाए और मिनिस्टर्स को अरेस्ट कर दिया जाए. और शाम होते होते ही पूरी सिटी इन रेवोल्यूशनरी कमेटी के कंट्रोल में थी और सभी मिनिस्टर ने सरेंडर कर दिया था. एंड आफ्टर दैट at a meeting of the All Russian Congress of the Soviet in Petrograd, the majority approved the Bolshevik actions. Uprising took place in other cities also. मीन्स ये विद्रोह दूसरे शहरों में भी हुआ. In Moscow, there was heavy fighting, and by the December, the Bolshevik controlled the Moscow Petrograd areas. मीन्स बोल्शेविक पार्टी का मॉस्को और पेट्रोग्राड एरिया में पूरी तरह से कंट्रोल हो चुका था. In the next video, we will discuss about the changes occurred after the revolution of the October and the global influence of the Russian revolutions. Now, topic related these questions you have to do on your notebook.